District 4, 415 weapon pending Maple Glen break. Complaint said that a man just crashed into a ditch. Then when we tried to transfer him to CHP, a female started screaming, said, "Get out of my house, go get the gun." And further on the 415 weapon, looks like the complaint's husband went to check on the person that crashed into the ditch, and the subject started 242ing him. 46 Charles, 47 Charles, I'll show you. Here's responding to the 415 weapon on Maple Glen. The complaint said there is no gun. She said that to scare the male. Advised her husband, 70 years old, and possibly needs medical. We're starting fire in CHP Golf en route.
Shot fired, shot fired.
Yes, you are clear for K913. Maple Glen, shots fired. And District 4 has shots fired. K913, shots fired from Maple Glen Road.
So where's K913?
Maple Glen Road on District 4, Channel 2.
K913 from 43, you have a location of shooter.
Yeah, we're detaining him now. Stand by.
Copy, detaining one now. And they are detaining one now.
K913, start code 3 fire. He's cuffed. Or I do it.
Sheriff's K9, stop right there, dude. Stop right there. Stop right there. You're gonna get bit by my dog. Stop right there. Get your hands up, bro. K913, shots fired, shots fired. Fuck! Your fucking hands up! Hands up! Get your fucking hands up! Get your fucking hands up now!
Put your hands up now! Roll over on your stomach and put your hands up! Roll over on your stomach and put your hands up! Don't touch that! Put your hands up! Roll over on your stomach now! I'm moving up.
Alright, I'm with you. Go on your stomach!
Turn over! I'm going down first.
Yeah, we're detaining him now. Stand by.
The other hand out.
K913's are at code 3 fire. He's cuffed.